Homeboy here is really yelling at people in the dumpster. Only in Visalia. They're actually camping out right over there. But whatever. It's pretty gross. Top of the morning to you, lads, and welcome back to another video, guys. So today's video is going to be very, very exciting, guys. It is a semi-sponsored video. So the sponsor of today's video is American Authority. You guys can find them on Instagram. They have Mustang accessories, Camaro, well, a lot more Camaro stuff than Mustang stuff. But if all you, my viewers, have a Camaro or are looking into a Camaro, they have Camaro stuff on there. I'm going to go ahead and blur this out until we get into the shop. Yeah, I'm just going to blur that out so you guys can't see it until we get to the shop. So this install is really simple. So let's go ahead and get to the shop and we will get started on this install. Ready? What's up, guys? Okay, we're at the shop. I had to go do some errands real quick. I had to get some car soap for the house. But we are here at the shop. There is two ways you can go ahead and install this piece, which I'm going to go ahead and show you in depth. Basically, you could either go through your latch section, or you can just remove your whole front bumper, which I'm not going to do. So let's go ahead and dive down and to show you what I got for the car for free. Awesome. Let's get in. So we have here for the Mustang is going to be this grille and or rear deck lid badge, like plate badge. You see these more common on Coyotes and GT350s, and I want to say the GT500. But this company, they make them for the EcoBoost, for the V6s, for the Coyotes, and for the 350s, and most likely the 500s as well. Like I said, these guys were nice enough to send me one of these for the channel and for the car. Red and black. They have different other colors like silver, I think like green or something like that. But yeah, this is honestly the best thing ever. So this one right here is basically if you want to mount this on the back deck lid right there. And then this is for the front grille as well. So when we open up this, I'm actually going to go ahead and ceramic coat this just so you know, it stays clean for a good amount of time. And yeah, like I said, the install, you can either take off your whole front bumper, or you can go ahead and pop the hood and go through the latch right there. You undo your latch and just kind of figure out where you want it on the car. That's the route we're going to go, because I'm not taking off my front bumper again. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is like honestly the best like thing. I've always wanted one of these for the car. So we're going to go ahead and go into the install, and I'm going to go ahead and ceramic coat this off camera. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. I'm very, very excited. Okay, so I had to go to a hardware store real quick to get some more stuff, but basically what you're going to do, you're going to take off your front radiator cover looking thingy. There's a bunch of clips. Make sure you save those clips. I saved all mine right here. You're going to take off your hood latch right here. There is a little tail clip right here. You're going to remove and just go ahead and set this over to the side. Make sure you do install all this, put back together. There are two long nuts right here that are 10 mils. Just go ahead and get a little deep socket and just go ahead and take that off. Sorry, camera's messed up. Take that off. And then you are able to access with your hand right here. If you guys can see that, my hand's right here. So you guys can bolt on your guys' emblem. So I had to go and grab some other like little supplies. I needed some JB weld, because I'm just going to JB weld these two and then put this over the screws, put this bracket down, and then go ahead and tighten everything down. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together off camera, and then we can go ahead and do the installation part on the front grille. Okay, after a lot of fidangling, because I totally forgot that my the shutters inside the grille make it really hard to access the screws that are in that you bolt up to or whatever. But it's on there. It's on there. It looks really good. You guys will see in a bit, but let's go ahead and put this cover back on. Let's go ahead and clean it off because it's over there really dirty. Let's go ahead and put our hood latch back on and get all this all cleaned up. This really shouldn't have taken long, but it's just the shutters that are in here on the 2017s are pretty much a pain in the butt. So this is kind of like a temporary thing, but once I do get a different grille, I'm gonna obviously put that back on there. The pony won't be on there. I'm gonna have to obviously take off the front bumper to do this, but I really hate taking off my front bumper. I think next too, I'm gonna get the side pins, because yeah, this is obviously uneven. But man, it looks good. Let's go ahead and do a quick cinematic, and we'll end the video. Ready?
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me a sign, just give me the green light.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me